In this video, we're going to be talking about Motorola's $100 phone you can get from Amazon right now. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the Motorola G Fast right here from CNET. Now it says you can save 50% on this phone, so it's just $100 right now. And shout out to Adrian Marlowe from CNET for actually posting this article and making this pretty much known to everybody. So this is for all the people that are looking for a phone on a tight budget. The Moto G Fast smartphone from Motorola is a great phone for budget-minded shoppers. It comes equipped with many popular features, including a large high-definition screen and a fast processor. And right now, Amazon has discounted the 2020 model by 50%, bringing the price to a cool $100. Now, I'll leave the link in the description down below on this if you guys want to go ahead and pick this up, but I thought this was a hell of a deal, honestly. I think that this device is still good, especially for someone that wants something really cheap. So if you guys are on a super budget, this is something you guys may want to look into. But we're going to go over the specifications right now on this, but let me know in the comment section down below if this is on your radar. Are you guys needing a $100 phone? This may go to someone who doesn't really care too much about their phone, or a child or something like that. So let's get into the specifications. So it says the Moto G Fast features a 6.4-inch high-definition display, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. It comes equipped with 32 gigabytes of storage. That's a little low right there, which can be expanded with an additional purchase of a micro SD card and a battery that gets up to 2 days of use per charge. The phone also has an IP52 rating, making it water resistant against splashes and spills or mild inclement weather. It also comes equipped with a fingerprint sensor and a 16 megapixel triple rear camera system. So those are the specifications on this. Now I know you guys have a lot of questions about the updates and the software and if it's going to work on here, and they actually wrote about this in this article as well. So it says there are a few things you need to consider before you buy. This phone is a 2020 model and security updates have stopped as of June this year, which I think is still pretty good for this device, which may leave your phone vulnerable. Also, it features the Android 10 OS out of the box, but that can update to Android 11. That's still behind the most recent Android 12 update. Honestly, I don't really think it matters too much when you're paying $100 for a phone. There are other devices out there with Android 12. I think there's probably one device out there just buying it completely unlocked that you can get for $100 that has Android 12, but it's just trash. 100% trash. I wouldn't even look into it. It also says another good tip is to make sure you are downloading apps from official app stores and have a good reputation. However, because this phone is unlocked and has compatibility with both CDMA and GSM networks, you can take the phone to a carrier of your choosing to get the features, coverage, and price point you want. At $100, this makes it a pretty great deal that is worth considering if you don't need the latest tech. But yeah guys, if you are looking for a phone and you do not care about the latest tech, you don't care about security updates and all that, this is definitely a phone I would look into. At just $100, this is something that that's special. And I think the 2-day battery life, even the processor, the 665 Snapdragon processor in here is actually pretty decent. So if you guys want to go and pick this up, I'll leave it in the description down below in the top comment. Give me your opinion on this. Is this something that you think you would pick up for yourself, or maybe your child, or someone who doesn't really, care about their phone too much? Let me know. But yeah guys, hopefully you have a good rest of your day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.